Hi, I'm Mike Feldman, and I'm going to do a science experiment that demonstrates Avogadro's law, which says that the number of moles of gas present is directly related to the volume, meaning that in this experiment I'm going to use baking soda and vinegar, put them together, and create a gas, and the more gas that's created is going to need more volume. And since it needs more volume, it's going to take up the space of this quickly, and it's going to use this balloon and fill it up because it needs more volume, because there's more gas that's being created. So what I've got here is some vinegar and baking soda. It's basic ingredients to make a chemical reaction that creates carbon dioxide. Okay, so first I'm going to measure out a half a cup of vinegar and put that into my water bottle. The funnel, so be safe. And next, here's the tricky part. I'm going to try to put baking soda in this balloon. So I'm going to use the funnel to make it easier. And I'll fill it up with a decent amount of baking soda. Maybe a little more than that. Okay. Now we've got this filled up about half the way, and I'm going to attach this balloon to the top of here before I lift it up and pour all the baking soda from here into the vinegar. So I'm going to stretch this over the lid like that. Okay, now on the count of 3, I'm going to lift up this, and then all the baking soda in the balloon is going to drop down into here, and it's going to fill up this balloon with carbon dioxide. 1, 2, 3. And there it goes. And that's how you can fill up a balloon without wasting all your breath.
Here we are at Poe Hall, the home of the College of Education, where home experiments are born.
Experiment using household vinegar and baking soda. We're going to make Mount Science explode today.
Here we have some pepper and a bowl of water and a little bit of Dawn, and we're going to see what happens when we put the pepper in the water. And then
Okay, so this is the can crushing, and there's boiling water in this can, and this is ice water.
So today we have a beaker full of just blue food coloring and water and oil and some Alka-Seltzer, and we're just going to make our little homemade lava lamp.
This is rocket canister, and we have some Alka-Seltzer, water, and a canister.
And I'm going to put the Alka-Seltzer in here.
you want to try it again?
We don't have any more Alka-Seltzer.
Look, there's still a big chunk right here, a chunk there, a chunk there, a chunk there, a chunk there.
Oh my god.
There's a chunk all the way over here.
Get them, get them.
But we don't have any water.
Third floor, going up.
Hi, today I'm going to do a project for my biology class using the simple household items, and as kids would call it, they would say this was the water magic trick, but it really is a scientific project that will show you how water gets sucked into this cup like a vacuum. So let's start off. You're going to need just a glass. You're going to need a half a cup of water, a small bowl. You're going to need something to light up the candles. I use candles. You can use matches, whichever you prefer. Some food coloring, doesn't matter what color. Have a spoon and a napkin handy. To start off, I'm going to pour the water into the glass here. Just place your candles in the center there. We're going to add the food coloring, just so that it demonstrates when it's being sucked into the glass how cool it looks. This is really fun. The kids really enjoy this. Okay, and then we're going to pour the water into the bowl. Just kind of hold your candles together.
And then I usually just wipe off the excess water, make sure the glass is nice and dry. And please be careful when handling any fire at home if you're doing this with children. And just light up all the candles. And you can see the nice bright blue color. And then what you do is you take your glass, you place it right over the flame, and watch the vacuum start. And voila! There you have it. Basically, it's very simple. When the water vapor condenses, the amount of gas becomes smaller and therefore creating a vacuum inside of the glass. That's really all it is. So now it's sucked up all of the water. As you can see, there's nothing inside of the bowl. The water is completely sucked into the glass. I'm going to go ahead and again, it's still trying to suck, still vacuuming up whatever water. There isn't any water left. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the glass now. It's really tight. And there you have it. A nice, simple, fun project. However, a scientific project. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.